And look at that beautiful sky. March, nice and springy outside. I broke a sweat today. We were in the low 80s. It's in the low 70s right now. Man, Florida life is good when it's not summertime. What's up, everybody? Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Man, that sun is bright. Jeez. Face is due west, man. That sun setting just gets me every afternoon. But actually, that'll help, because check this out. I want to show you a little something. I know I've been a little busy lately and the videos have been a little vague. Actually, the last video was done like a week and a half ago because I didn't have time to wait around to get it done. I just had to get it done now. Luckily, I got some of it on video, was able to slowly, put it together. But I figured I've been kind of MIA a little bit, figured I'd show you something. So when I got Jawbreaker a couple years ago, 3 years ago, whatever it was, the shifter was always a little funny. And this was before I did videos. I couldn't believe it. I was like, it feels good, but it doesn't. It's just odd. So finally one day,
shifting,
going through the gears, and all of a sudden, it just went out. I had no shifter. It had, I kind of had to really kind of fight and peck and hunt. Then I could get it into gear and start going. So I went down to a local auto parts store here locally, picked up a new bushing, came back, and popped the rear seat, popped out the little inspection plate, and lo and behold, my car had wood. My car had wood. Yeah, I keep it. Hold on now. Wood. Somebody actually took the cage, cut a piece of wood, and made it work. Isn't that awesome? Think about it. They probably didn't have a local place to go. They probably couldn't hop on their phone and order a part. They had to use what they had available. The only reason this bushing failed is because the 2x4 broke. Seriously, how awesome is that, huh? Man, I mean, you still see the cut marks. I don't know, man. I still find it fascinating. And, people start telling stories or something. I'll grab this out of the glove box and be like, my car had wood. I know, it's funny. But anyway, quick little fun backstory, reminiscing a little bit. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys are having a great week. Got something cool coming up for you this coming weekend, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and I had a question about Vinny. Let's go check on Vinny. So there's Vinny, still hanging out. We drilled out the little oil hole and threw a little flag in him. So now he just kind of hangs out with us. But he's doing good. He's doing real good. Thanks for holding down the fort, Vinny. So coming up, not this weekend, but next weekend, I believe it's the weekend of the 12th, 13th, something like that, is NoDo in Port Orange, Florida. That's right. If you are local and you're not John or Matt who are going to go drive a badass Baja all over the place in Ocala, you got to come to NoDo. It's an awesome event, multiple days, tons of fun activities. Yeah, I'm gearing up for NoDo. Anyway, take care, be good. We'll see you next time.